Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the remaining concept in the first unit, that is the industry can be divided into a three category, that is primary industry, secondary industry and tertiary industry. Okay, so in the last class we have already studied about the primary industry. Let's move to the secondary industry. So secondary industry, these are the are concerned with the using the materials which have already been extracted at the primary industry. The industries process such materials to produce a good for the final consumption or the for the further processing by the other industrial units. So what happens in the secondary industry, these are the industries are started to produce the products. So the already the goods, the raw materials are extracted from the earth by the primary industry. So what happens in the primary industry, primary industries are those industry which are extracted the products from the earth, from the nature, that product they are using, who are using a secondary industries are using the products which are extracted from the primary industry. Then they are going to use in the final production. It means they are going to produce the products with the help of the goods which already extracted from the primary industry. Then that products will be finally provided to the consumption. It means who are consuming, customers are consuming the products. Okay, so take an example. I will give one example. With the help of primary industry, we have produced the products like the a sugar cane that will be used by the secondary industry and make a process. Through that, they are going to provide the sugar to the final consumption. So like this the secondary industries are running. Secondary industries are those industries which are already extracted products they are going to use, and they are going to make a process. Through that, they are going to provide that goods to the final consumption, and it is having some process. Okay, so secondary industries are having a process. Through that, they are going to provide the products to the end consumers. So here we are having a example, the mining of an iron ore is the a primary industry. So what happens, the iron will be extracted from the primary industry, and but the manufacturing of steel is the secondary industry. See here, with the example we have understood that. So iron is extracted from the earth through the help of primary industry, that should used by the secondary industry and produce the steel. Okay, so like this the secondary industries are working. So secondary industries are those industry which are extracted the products from, which are going to use the products extracted by the primary industry. Already primary industries are extracted the products that they are using in the secondary industry, and they are going to make a process. Through that, they are going to produce the a new product, and that products will be given to the customers or the users for the their consumptions. That's called as the secondary industry. So here a secondary industries are going to divide into two category, that is the manufacturing industry and the construction industry. See here, secondary industries are divided into a two category, that is a manufacturing industry and the construction industry. So manufacturing industry is having a four types, that is analytical, synthetical, processing and assembling. Okay, so this is regarding to the manufacturing industry. So let's move to the what is mean by analytical industry, synthetical industry and processing and assembling. We will study one by one right now. So we are having a first one, a secondary industry may be a further divided for the first, manufacturing industry. So manufacturing industries are those industries are engaged in the producing a goods through the processing of raw material, and thus creating utilities. So what happens, manufacturing industries are those industries they are going to make the process of the production. It means if you want to be produce some products, it is having some steps, some process. That process will be having in the time of manufacturing industry. So the manufacturing industries are the industries engaging in producing a goods through the processing. of a material and thus creating for the utility. They are creating utility. Who are creating? A manufacturing industries are creating a utility, that's called as the manufacturing industry. So manufacturing industries are, they are using some machines, through that they are producing the goods called as the manufacturing industries. Okay, let's move to the second, that is called as the manufacturing industries may be further divided into a four categories. Okay, so based on a method of operation for the production, it means which method they have using, through that it is divided into a four category. That is, first we are having analytical industry. See here, some industries are having a process, some industries are not having a process, some are combining the products. According to that, we are divided by the manufacturing industry into a four category, that is analytical industry. First, we are having a analytical industries. So, analytical industries are those industries which are analyzes and separate different elements from the same material, as in the case of a oil refrains. So here what happens, in the time of analytical industry, they are going to use a one product. See here, they are using a one product, through that they are producing a different byproducts. Take example oil. So what the oil is doing, when we are extracted the oil from the earth, through that we are going to produce a different oils. That is, we are going to produce the kerosene oil, we are producing the petrol, diesel. So like this different products we are going to produce with the help of one single products, that called as a analytical industry. So once again I will repeat, analytical industries are those industries, they are separated. Yeah, what they are doing, they are going to separate a different elements from the same material. It means from one product they are going to make the differentiation of the another products, called as the analytical industries. They are dividing from one product, they are dividing the several products, that's called as the analytical industries. Let's move to the next one, that is synthetical industries. So synthetical industries are which come combines various ingredients into a new products, and products new products, as the a case of the cement. So here what happen, in the time of synthetical industries, they are going to use different products to produce one product. It means they are using a different products and combining, and where they are going to the different ingredients they are using. Take example, for production of cement there is the requirement of a different byproducts we require, that products we are going to combine and produce this the one product. So here different products we are going to combine and produces the one products, that is called as a cement. So to produce the cement we required the stones, we required the some chemicals, and we are going to mix that, and we are going to get a next products called as a cement, that's called as the a synthetical industry. So here analytical industry, with one product they are going to produce the different products. But here in the time of synthetical industry, different products they are using and produces the one single products called as the cement. Okay, so next move to the processing industry. The name itself indicates that a process. It means the process industries are which involves the successive stages for the manufacturing of finished products, as in the case of the sugar and the paper. So what happens, to produce the sugar and the paper, we are having some processes, stages. When you are passing that stages, or when you are going to complete that stage, then only you can get the final products. Take example, if you want to be produce the sugar, first you want to be collect the raw material as the sugar cane. So where the sugar cane are produces, sugar cane are produces in the primary industry. Okay, so in the primary industry whatever the products they have produces, that they are going to use in the secondary industry. And with the help of sugar cane, first they will extract the juice, next they are going to boil that sugar next they are going to boil that juice. After that they are going to mix the chemicals, then next they are going to make the dry. Okay, next finally we are going to get the sugar. So this is one of a process. That process, if you are passes, then only you can get the final products. That's called as the processing industries. Okay, so processing industries are those industries which are having the successful stages or the processes. That's called as the processing industry. So let's move to the assembling industry. See here, with the help of picture only we are seeing here. Assembling industry are which assembles. It means combines a different components, a parts to make a new products, as in the case of a television, car, and the computer. So if you want to be produce the car, computer, or the television, you are going to combine some components. With the help of assembling industry, we are going to assemble means we are going to mix. Okay, so to produce the car, we are going to purchase the some raw parts. It means the engine we are going to collect. We are going to collect the car designs from the different tiny industries, and we are going to combine in the one industry. That's called as assembling. Name itself indicates that assembling means we are going to assemble, mix by the different parts of the that products. We are going to collect from the different tiny industry, and we are going to produce the end products with the help of assembling industries. So this is regarding to the secondary industries. So remember here students, the primary industries are having a two types, that is analytical and a synthetical. Okay, next come to the secondary industry. Secondary industry is divided into four category, that is analytical, see here, sorry, wait, I will show you. So here the secondary industries are divided into two category, that is manufacturing and the we are having construction. Okay, so again manufacturing industries are divided into four category: analytical, next synthetical, processing. Okay, so last one, that is assembling. These are the industries we are having in the secondary industries. Okay, so the remaining part we will study in the next class. Thank you.